Assalamu alaikum student. So in social science, question is, look here. Oh, sorry. Explain the importance of transport in India. It is very important questions from the lesson transportations. The first point is transport play a very important role in the development of all factors of human activities, that is economic activities. Human activities means economic activities regarding the business, the daily works, like that. Development of all factors, look here, development of all factors of human activities. Here, this point is very important. Development of all factors of human activities. Development of all factors of human activities. Transport play a very important role in the development of all factors of human activities. Development of all factors of human activities. And the next is look here, transport play the role transport play important role to develop primary sectors. Again, primary sector, that is agriculture sector. Secondary sector, that is manufacturing sector, industry sector. And the third, tertiary sectors, that is service sectors. So transport play very important role in these three sectors: primary, that is agriculture sector; secondary, industrial sectors, that is manufacturing sectors; tertiary sector, that is service sectors, banking service, teaching service, insurance service, like that. So transport play very important roles. The next point is efficient. Efficient and cheap means resource. Means resource. Efficient and cheap means of transport help to develop resources. Transport should be efficient. Efficient, that is skillful. Transport should be efficient. And cheap means of transport. Resources. Help to develop resources. Next is रिसोर्सेज डेवलप करने हेल्प करता है. कैसा ट्रांसपोर्ट है ना? एफिशिएंट, स्किलफुल. एंड क्या रहना, उसके साथ साथ चीप भी रहना, सस्ता भी रहना. एक तो एफिशिएंट है ना, सेकेंड वन इज एफिशिएंट है ना, सेकेंड वन इज सस्ता भी रहना, एफिशिएंट भी रहना. तो इतना रहा तो क्या होता है, हेल्प करता है कहीं में डेवलप रिसोर्सेज को डेवलप करने में, टू डेवलप रिसोर्सेज. The next point is transport help to progress in agriculture, it is primary sectors. Transport help to progress, develop in agriculture. Transport help to progress in agriculture. Transport help to progress in industry. Next is transport help to internal and external trade. So internal trade, that is within the country trade. when the trade is happened, when the business is happened within the country के अंदर जो ट्रेड होता है उसे बोलते हैं इंटरनल ट्रेड्स. एक्सटर्नल ट्रेड is foreign trade. When we trade with America, it is external trade. When India trade with Australia, it is called external trade. So external trade, this is India's map, this is oceans. यहाँ से अगर जाते हैं तो इट बिकेम एक्सटर्नल ट्रेड. यहाँ से जो शिप्स में होते हैं, यहाँ आपको पता है कि पोर्ट्स हैं, इस एरिया में पोर्ट्स हैं. यहाँ खंडाला पोर्ट है, मुंबई पोर्ट है, यहाँ चेन्नई का पोर्ट है, प्रदीप पोर्ट है, हल्दिया पोर्ट है. तो ये पोर्ट से जो हमें अदर कंट्रीज़ को ट्रेड करती हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड external trade. Next is transport provide employment. It is very important. It's provide employment, work. Employment means getting work. Transport, when we get employment, automatically our income will rise. It is mandatory. Income will rise. The transport rises the income and standard of living. Standard of living. Rise the income. When the income will rise, our standard of living will rise also. Here the dominoes effect. When the income is reduced, standard of living is also reduced. When the income is rise, standard of living also rise. Okay, the next point is in next point number 10. Sorry, Bashir. Transport encourage tourism. Again, the next point is transport encourage tourism. Transport encourage tourism, help defense sectors of the country. So it encourage tourism also help to defense sector, the military sectors, the defense sectors. Next, transport help to ease of doing business. When in the country there is efficient transport system is there, it become very easy to doing business. Is very easy to moving the things from here to here, very easy. When the roads are very good and transport efficient transports are there, it is very easy to moving the goods from one place to another place. Transport help to ease of doing business. Next is transport help to connect village to cities. So it is very important, village to cities connection. When there is a road facility and also the transport vehicles facilities, it helps to connect from village to cities. Like agriculture is there, all agricultural activities will happen in villages. When they produce the crops, they just want to bring the crops to market. That is, market is found in cities. If the transport sector is very strong, it is very easy to moving agriculture essential product from village to cities. That's why transport help to connect village to cities. Next is transport increase the GDP, gross domestic product. Next one is increase GDP, gross domestic product of country. When the income is rise, national income also rise, and again the GDP also rise. Next, proper transport is required to fast growing economy. The growing economy, it is also very important. Proper transport is very important for any growing economy, for moving goods very easily and very fast. All agriculture activities is all agricultural product are perishable. एक दो दिन में ख़राब हो जाती है, कैसा एकदम फास्ट मूविंग रहा तो विद इन मार्केट को जाती है, मार्केट में जाकर सेल हो जाती है वो. तो उसके वजह से प्रॉपर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन रिक्वायर्ड टू फास्ट ग्रोइंग economy. So this is end of the lesson. End of this question. It is very important question. The next question is again to know the 8th. Okay, 8 minutes.